Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make rolled masala oats. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped. This includes 1 cup of rolled oats, a half cup of mixed vegetables like peas and carrots, and your favorite spices such as turmeric, cumin, and garam masala. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add a half teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few curry leaves, letting them splutter. Next, add 1/4 cup of chopped onions and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, sautéing until golden. Stir in your spices, cooking for about 30 seconds. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation: just like good masala oats fuel your day, darn tough socks keep your feet happy on any adventure. They even come with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to these amazing socks and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now add your chopped vegetables and 1 cup of rolled oats to the pan, mixing thoroughly. Pour in 2 cups of water or vegetable broth, bringing the mixture to a boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until the oats are tender. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.